What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And if you can see the camera, they can see you. And it's the least consequential part of this whole meeting for you. I promise. All right? God save the Queen, man.
Some Ivy League shit out there.
You couldn't hear a dump truck driving through a nitroglycerin plant.
So we're going to see all this unfold. I'm confident. Thank you very much.
I hear you, Branch. Let me handle this. Poppy? Poppy. You
Heard from for Secretary Vilsack. Senator, excuse me, I voted you. We're going to increase America's share of global memory chips and production by 500%.
That's supposed to be a joke?
Okay.
And I got General Motors, I didn't get them. General Motors decided after a long time spent talking to me.
Damn!